In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Otter AA from Microsoft Teams. If you've been seeing the Otter bot join your Teams meetings, or you simply want to revoke access for privacy, security, or troubleshooting, this walkthrough will cleanly disconnect Otter from your Microsoft account while keeping your existing notes and recordings intact. First, open a desktop browser and go to otter.ai. If you're not already signed in, log into the Otter account that's currently linked with Teams. Once you're on your Otter homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar. That menu is where Otter groups its settings and connections, so that's the path we'll use. If you don't see the sidebar, widen your browser window or click the menu icon to reveal it. Next, in the left sidebar, click Integrations. This opens the area where Otter lists apps it can connect to, as well as any that are already connected. You may see two sections, one for discovering integrations and another for connected apps you can manage. Give the page a moment to load fully and scroll if needed to view the complete list. Now, scroll down and find Microsoft. Depending on your interface, it may appear as Microsoft or Microsoft Teams. You're looking for the entry that shows Microsoft along with your connection status. If you use more than one Microsoft account, you might see multiple lines or an indication of which account is currently linked. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the correct connection, especially if you keep separate work and personal accounts. Once you've located the Microsoft entry, find the connected email shown there and click Disconnect. Otter will usually ask you to confirm that you want to remove access. Approve the prompt, and the integration is removed. This stops Otter from joining future Teams meetings on your behalf and revokes its permission to access your team's calendar and meeting details. Your existing Otter conversations and transcripts remain safely in your Otter workspace, and disconnecting does not cancel any subscription you may have with Otter. To verify the change, wait a moment and refresh the page. The Microsoft item should now show a connect option instead of a connected status. If it still appears connected, refresh again or sign out and back in to update the view. You can reconnect at any time by returning to Integrations and selecting Microsoft, which will guide you through granting permissions again. If your organization manages app permissions, note that an administrator's policies may affect what you see here. And that's it. By going to Otter, opening Integrations, finding Microsoft, and disconnecting the linked email, you've successfully removed Otter.ai from Microsoft Teams.